Getting to know plants. Whenever you move around any place, you may find different varieties of plants. Some of them are very small, such as grasses, jasmine, rose, dahlia, etc., while many of them are very big, such as mango, neem, banyan, eucalyptus, etc. Types of plants: herbs, shrubs, and trees. Based on their external characters, plants can be classified into three categories: herbs, shrubs, and trees. Plants with green and tender, soft stems are called herbs. They are usually smaller in size and sometimes do not even have branches. In the field of science, a herb is any plant whose aerial part or stem dies back at the end of each growing season. Some plants have branches that arise from the base of the stem. Their stem is hard but not very thick, and they are called shrubs. In the field of science, a shrub is a short, woody plant that has several separate stems close to the ground. Some plants, which are very tall, have hard and thick stem. They have branches from upper part of the stem. They are called trees. In the field of science, a tree is a tall, woody plant that has a single main stem, which is also called trunk. Various parts of plants. Stem. This portion is the ascending part of the plant growing above the soil towards the light and away from water. It bears leaves, flowers, and many other structures on it. It may be simple or branched. Most of the stems grow above the ground, but stems, in the case of onion, ginger, grow underground. When stem grows underground, then it has the function of food storage. Leaf. The most common part which can be seen of these herbs, shrubs, and trees is the leaves. Let us discuss about parts of a leaf. Parts of a leaf. Petiole. The part of a leaf by which it is attached to the stem is called petiole. Lamina. The broad green part of the leaf is called lamina. Leaf apex and margin. The tip of the leaf is called leaf apex, and the side of the leaf is the leaf margin. It is different in different leaves. Midrib and veins. The continuation of the stem into the leaf or lamina forms the midrib, which branches into a network of veins that keep the leaf stiff and flat and prevent it from dropping. The veins transport water and minerals to the leaf and take away food made by the leaves. The arrangement of leaf veins is in different ways in different types of leaves. Leaf venation. It is of two types: reticulate venation, parallel venation. If this pattern is net-like on both the sides of midrib, then the venation is called as reticulate venation. In the case of leaves of different grasses, these veins are parallel to midrib as well as to each other. Such type of venation is known as parallel venation. Function of leaf. The leaf helps in removal of excess of water from the plant by the transpiration process. It helps in the storage of food, as in the case of onion, where leaves become fleshy and stores food. It helps in the exchange of gases, both CO2 and O2, through small pores, which are mostly located on the lower surface. It helps in manufacturing food by the process of photosynthesis. Root. Root is the underground, non-green part of the plant which provides anchorage to the plant. They provide anchorage by spreading under the ground and also help in the absorption of water and minerals from the soil. Root types. The main root is called taproot, and smaller roots emerging from the main root are called lateral roots. Small, fine, hair-like structures present on the lateral roots are called root hairs. Bunch of roots of similar size is called fibrous root. These roots are found in all growing type of grasses, rice and wheat plants growing near to your surroundings. Thus, there is one simple relation between leaves and roots. The plants having leaves with reticulate venation have taproots, whereas plants having leaves with parallel venation have fibrous roots. These fibrous roots are also known as adventitious roots, which can be seen in most grasses, including rice, wheat, maize, and bamboos. Flower. Plants can be divided into two groups, flowering and non-flowering plants. Plants that bear flowers are called flowering plants. Some plants, like ferns and pine trees, do not bear flowers. They are called non-flowering plants. Some kinds of plants produce single flowers, others grow clusters of flowers. Still others, such as sunflowers, have many tiny flowers that form a single flower-like head. A typical or complete flower is one which comprises sepals, petals, stamens, and carpel.